So if you have been trying to become fluent in English for a long time, but still feel like you are making slow progress, then this video will help you. So today I will share with you 10 best English speaking habits that will make you fluent fast. And trust me, these are super simple yet powerful habits that anyone can learn. Hello guys, welcome back to Talkoria. I am your English teacher. If you're new here, hi, I am your English teacher, and in this channel we make learning English fun and easy. So if you love watching videos in English and want to improve your English level, especially your speaking skill, then don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Also, tap the bell icon so that you never miss out any of my new videos. So let's get started. Number 1, shadowing practice. Shadowing is an extremely effective way to improve your English pronunciation, fluency, and confidence. The process is really simple. You just need to listen to some English phrases, sentence, or conversation and repeat it immediately. When you shadow, you will be able to improve your pronunciation because you're mimicking how native speakers pronounce words. At the same time, you will also learn the intonation patterns, stress, and rhythm of the language. Plus, when you shadow, you will also build confidence because you're getting used to hearing and repeating English. To start shadowing, you can go to YouTube and search for shadowing exercise for English learners. And there are many videos available where you can listen to the speaker and repeat after them. Number 2, speak to yourself in English. You may feel shy, but please do this because this is one of the best ways to become fluent in English. I know that some of you might feel embarrassed speaking to yourself in English, but trust me, it's super beneficial. When you speak to yourself in English, you train your brain to use English phrases, sentence structures, and vocabulary. It also helps to remove fear and hesitation because you are alone and no one can hear you. Also, by talking to yourself, you will get used to speaking the language and it will feel more natural. You can talk to yourself about anything you want, like your daily routine, your weekend plans, your work schedule, or even your goals for the future. No. 3. Learn 5 new words daily. To become fluent in English, you should increase your vocabulary, and the best way to do this is to learn 5 new words every day. Trust me, this is enough. For example, if you learn 5 new words every day, in a month you will learn 150 new words. And if you do this consistently for 6 months, you'll learn almost 1,000 new words, which is quite a lot. And plus, when you learn 5 words every day, you won't forget them easily. Just keep a notebook with you all the time and write down the word and its meaning every day. If you want me to help you with that, I can send you a list of 100 most useful English words that will help you to become fluent faster. So what you need to do is to leave a comment below and say, I want 100 words list, and I'll send you the PDF file on WhatsApp. Number 4, record your voice. Recording your voice while speaking in English is one of the best ways to improve your pronunciation, fluency, and confidence. By recording yourself, you're able to listen back and identify areas where you can improve. For example, you may notice that your pronunciation needs work, or that you use certain phrases too often. Once you know your weaknesses, you can focus on improving them. And plus, when you record your voice, you learn to think in English, which is essential for fluency. You can use your phone to record your voice and try to speak English every day. And whenever you feel that you have improved, you can compare the new recording with the old one and see the difference. Number 5, listen every day. Listening to English is essential for developing your fluency because it allows you to get used to the sound of the language. When you listen to English, you become familiar with different accents, pronunciations, and expressions. All of these things help you to develop your own fluency. To practice listening, you need to spend at least 15 minutes every day listening to different types of English conversations, news, or podcasts. And if you want me to help you with that, I have prepared 3 links for you. The first one is a podcast for intermediate learners. The second link is for advanced learners. And the third one is a YouTube channel where you will find many interesting topics to learn English. I'll put all these links in the description box so that you can easily find them. Number 6. Use English apps or websites. There are many free resources available online to help you practice and improve your English skills. Many websites and apps offer interactive exercises and games that make learning English fun and engaging. For example, Duolingo, Memrise, Babbel, and Rosetta Stone. All of these apps can help you practice your English speaking skills. Most of these apps also offer a free trial period so that you can test them out before paying for a subscription. Some of these apps also offer personalized lessons based on your level and needs, and all of these apps also help you to learn new words, improve your grammar, and get feedback on your speaking skills. You can also use websites like Khan Academy, British Council Learn English, and many others to practice your English skills. So use these free resources to learn English. Number 7. Read aloud. Reading aloud is one of the best ways to improve your English speaking skills because it helps you to practice your pronunciation, fluency, and confidence. When you read aloud, you have to pay attention to the correct pronunciation of each word. At the same time, you also learn how to link words together and make sentences sound natural. And plus, when you read aloud, you get used to hearing your own voice, and that helps to build confidence. To practice reading aloud, you can start with short articles or stories. You can also read aloud from your favorite books or magazines, and if you want me to help you with that, I have prepared 3 links for you. The first one is a website where you can find many articles to read. The second link is for TED Talks that you can read and follow along with. And the third one is a website where you will find many short stories to read. And I'll put all these links in the description box so that you can easily find them. Number 8, join online communities. There are many online platforms where you can find English learners and speakers. Some popular options include Zoom classes, online forums, and language exchange apps. To find a Zoom class, you can go to a website and register. And there are many free and paid classes available where you can practice your English speaking skills with other learners. And if you want me to help you with that, I have created a free Zoom class for intermediate English learners. It's an informal class where you can practice speaking English in a relaxed atmosphere. And I've put the registration link in the description box. Now, to find an online forum, you can go to a website. Here you can find many English learners who are willing to practice their speaking skills. And to find a language exchange app, you can download the app. With this app, you can find a native English speaker who wants to learn your language. Then you can have a conversation with them and practice your English speaking skills. Number 9, think in English. One of the best ways to become fluent in English is to stop translating from your native language and start thinking directly in English. This may be challenging in the beginning, but with practice, it becomes easier. As you start thinking in English, you'll be able to express yourself more fluently and naturally. You'll also be able to understand native speakers better. So start thinking in English right now. And to help you with that, I have prepared a video with 150 most useful English phrases. These phrases will help you to start thinking in English, and they will also help you to communicate easily. So click the link and download the PDF file and save it for future reference. Number 10, be consistent. Becoming fluent in English doesn't happen overnight. It requires consistency and patience. However, if you're consistent with your practice, you will definitely see results. Make sure to practice all of the habits that I've mentioned in this video every day. Consistency is the key. So practice these small habits daily, and in 6 months you'll notice massive progress. And that's it for today's video. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like button. Also, share this video with your friends and family. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and I'll see you next time. Bye.